Having a strong Ketu or wherever Ketu is placed in your chart does not always mean that you'll have to detach from it. I've observed that Ketu energy can be of 4 different types, but people fear because they only know about the detachment one. The first one is creative Ketu. If you've noticed the top directors at movie screenings or events, they're usually wearing dull clothes and they look very detached on the surface level. But when you watch their craft, you realize what crazy artistic geniuses they are. They're so dedicated and attentive to their craft that everything else seems very shallow to them. The second one is researcher Ketu. A lot of number 7 men have done an analysis for our investigators, journalists, scientists or researchers. They all literally deny having the classic Ketu trait, which is intuition, but they have insane pattern recognition abilities to research and find out all the details that other people can't. Now the third one is the spiritual Ketu, the one considered the most evolved. These people are drawn towards spirituality, meditation and solitude, and they let go of material desires easily. Now coming to the fourth one, I've noticed this is the one astrologers also don't bring up or know about. It's the addicted Ketu. So in my batch, most people have an exalted Ketu because of similar time birthdays and the birth year, of course. And I also know some number 7s who smoke up and drink like crazy, and their accommodations are very dirty. So complete escapism from reality and detached from their health. They told me that they don't believe in astrology because once a numerologist told them that they are very spiritual and intuitive, and they burst out laughing. So one thing I want you to know is that don't equate all Ketu energy to be spiritually smart. Did you notice how all of these types are very extreme? That's what Ketu is, depth and extremity of things. So balance is very important. In your Ketu Mahadasha, Ketu Antardasha, or if you have a prominent Ketu placement, you'll definitely oscillate between these Ketu types. And if you're not getting good results in your Ketu Dasha, or if your Ketu placement is giving you problems, then definitely work on becoming the most evolved version of Ketu, which is the spiritual Ketu.